Alright, so this is our video on special right triangles, and we need to get the exact answers. Now I know I've taught you guys this before, but the important part of this is if you have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, then the two legs are 1 and the hypotenuse is square root 2. And if you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the shortest side is 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and then the last leg, the long leg, is square root 3. This relationship is what we'll use to solve these two problems. So as you can see here, we have a 45-degree triangle. This is a right angle. And I need to find this side. Well, we know that these would be 1, and this is square root 2. Okay? So I need to know what this square root 2 is multiplied by, so that I can find out what's here. Because I know if I have something here, focus here, this could be a square root 2. So if I'm trying to find a square root 2, then, and I say here 7 equals a square root 2, I need to find 7. That means I'm going to have to divide by the square root of 2. So then I get 7 over square root 2 equals a. Now, Alex should accept this answer, but if not, then what they want you to do is to make this fraction proper, to put this radical back up in the numerator. So to do that, I would multiply both the top and bottom by square root 2. So I get 7 square root 2 over, and then on the bottom, square root 2 times square root 2 is going to just be 2. Okay? Now, what about this one? Is when you look over here, the long leg, this is 1, okay? So we can think of this as a, 2a, and then a square root 3. A square root 3. So, in looking at this, what we need is to find this form here. Well, this is fairly easy because we know A is 6. Okay, so then this one, B, will equal 6 square root 3. And that's all you basically need to know for this special right triangles.